Hi everybody, Rose here. Thank you for joining me today and welcome to my channel. And if you're new here, thank you for subscribing. I'm so excited. I hit 500, so never would have thought. So thank you. So today, I'm part of the Little Pouring Art family. The link, it's a Facebook group. There's a link in the description box. You don't have to be on YouTube to participate. We do monthly challenges. So this month, the challenge was chosen by Katrien, and her challenge was to pour on an object, not a canvas, and have it as a gift and talk about who the gift is for, and you just needed to have a metallic. So I am doing ornaments, and I like the disc ornament. So I have a styrofoam block, and here are the discs. I just got these at Michael's, and I have them on a stick, so they're not coming off. So, and I did watch Chris, I think her name is Chris Jeszeck. I'll put a link to her channel too. And she did this method and it looked like it worked well. So that's my plan. So I have about 25 of these. And these are going to my coworkers, anyone that's getting a gift. I'm going to include an ornament. But I'm not going to show you all 25. I have like 4 different color palettes. I'm going to do red and gold and blue and silver and purple and copper. So I'll do 2, maybe 3 with you. And then I'll pause and finish, and then I'll show you the rest when it's all dried. That's the plan. So, okay. So the way she did it, she dipped them in white, and I know that it'll fit in there, so I'm going to put my white right in here. I could have probably mixed it in here. Oh well. So she dipped the disc in the white to the little nozzle there. Okay. And just let some of the excess strip off. So I have some of these paints are ready pour and some I've already mixed up. So the first one, I'm just gonna put the paint straight on, and then the second one, I think I'm gonna layer a cup. And all right, so I'm gonna just put it here. I'm gonna let that drip a little bit more, put that there. Okay, so it's gonna drip some, which is fine. So let's do the red and gold. So I'm just gonna put some of my paint in these cups so it's easier to control. This is got a metallic in it.